recent years, Tesla has made waves in the automotive industry with its innovative electric vehicles. One of the most highly anticipated models from Tesla is the Cybertruck. A futuristic pickup truck that promises to revolutionize the way we think about utility vehicles. With its bold design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive capabilities, the Cybertruck has captured the imagination of millions of people around the world. In this article, we will explore the specifications, production timeline, platform, battery technology, and delivery details of the Tesla Cybertruck. The vision behind the Cybertruck. Before diving into the specifics, it's essential to understand the vision behind the Cybertruck. Tesla CEO Elon Musk first unveiled the Cybertruck in 2019, aiming to disrupt the traditional pickup truck market with an electric vehicle that combines power, durability, and sustainability. Musk envisioned the Cybertruck as a vehicle that could handle the toughest tasks while embracing the clean energy revolution. The Cybertruck's unique design, inspired by science fiction and armored vehicles, immediately caught the attention of the public and sparked a wave of excitement. Specifications, power, performance, and utility. The Cybertruck boasts impressive specifications that set it apart from traditional pickup trucks. It features an all-electric drivetrain, which provides the vehicle with instantaneous torque and excellent acceleration. The base model of the Cybertruck is expected to have a range of over 250 miles, making it suitable for everyday use and long-distance travel. For those seeking even greater range, Tesla offers higher-end models with ranges exceeding 500 miles. In terms of power and performance, the Cybertruck does not disappoint. It is equipped with a tri-motor setup, delivering exceptional power to all four wheels. This configuration enables the Cybertruck to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, outperforming many sports cars on the market. Additionally, the Cybertruck boasts an impressive towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds, making it a formidable workhorse. The utility of the Cybertruck is further enhanced by its durable exoskeleton. The vehicle's body is made of ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel, providing unmatched strength and protection. This exoskeleton is designed to withstand impacts and resist dents, ensuring that the Cybertruck can handle rough terrains and demanding tasks without compromising its integrity. Production timeline and challenges. While the Cybertruck has generated significant excitement, its production timeline has faced delays and challenges. Initially, Tesla aimed to start production and delivery of the Cybertruck in 2021. However, due to various factors, including supply chain issues and design refinements, the timeline has been pushed back. According to recent reports, Tesla plans to begin mass production of the Cybertruck at the end of 2023. This timeline represents a delay of 2 years from the initial target. The production will commence at Tesla's factory in Austin, Texas, which is being prepared specifically for the manufacturing of the Cybertruck. Elon Musk has expressed optimism about the progress, stating that they are in the final stages of preparation for the production of the highly anticipated electric pickup truck, the Tesla Cybertruck platform. The Cybertruck is built on Tesla's proprietary platform, which has been optimized for electric vehicles. The platform provides several advantages, including enhanced efficiency, improved handling, and increased interior space. By designing the vehicle around an electric drivetrain, Tesla has been able to maximize the potential of the Cybertruck's performance and range. Battery technology powering the Cybertruck. At the heart of the Cybertruck's performance and range is Tesla's advanced battery technology. The vehicle is expected to utilize Tesla's much-touted 4,680 battery cells, which offer significant improvements over previous generations. These battery cells are larger and more energy-dense, providing increased range and power output. However, scaling up the production of the 4,680 battery cells has proven to be a challenge for Tesla. Analysts have suggested that the production ramp-up for the Cybertruck could face delays if Tesla is unable to overcome these challenges. In such a scenario, Tesla might consider using conventional 2170 batteries or redesigning the Cybertruck's battery system to ensure timely production and delivery. Pre-order numbers and delivery expectations. Since its unveiling, the Cybertruck has garnered tremendous interest from consumers worldwide. Tesla reported that by November 2022, the Cybertruck had received over 1.5 million reservations. To secure a place in line, customers were required to place a refundable $100 deposit, demonstrating the significant demand for this groundbreaking electric pickup truck. However, the wait for customers who have reserved a Cybertruck is likely to continue. With mass production slated for the end of 2023, it may take several months, if not longer, for Tesla to fulfill all pre-orders. The production ramp-up process and the sheer volume of reservations pose logistical challenges that Tesla will need to navigate to ensure a smooth delivery experience for customers. The competitive landscape. While the Cybertruck has generated substantial excitement, it is not the only electric pickup truck entering the market. Competitors such as Ford, General Motors, and Rivian have also announced their electric offerings, aiming to capture a share of the growing market. Ford's F-150 Lightning, for example, offers comparable performance and utility, while Rivian's R1T boasts impressive off-road capabilities. However, Tesla's brand recognition, extensive supercharger network, and reputation for innovation provide it with a competitive advantage. The Cybertruck's unique design and cutting-edge features set it apart from its competitors, attracting customers who value boldness and technological advancements. The future of the Cybertruck. The Cybertruck represents a significant step forward in the electric vehicle industry, particularly in the pickup truck segment. Its bold design, impressive specifications, and innovative features position it as a game-changer in the market. As Tesla continues to refine its production processes and overcome challenges, the Cybertruck has the potential to reshape the way we perceive and use pickup trucks. With its durable exoskeleton, powerful electric drivetrain, and modular platform, the Cybertruck is poised to revolutionize not only the pickup truck market, but also the broader automotive industry. As Tesla progresses towards mass production and delivery, the world eagerly awaits the arrival of this groundbreaking electric vehicle. Conclusion. The Tesla Cybertruck represents a significant leap forward in the electric vehicle industry. With its futuristic design, impressive specifications, and innovative features, it has captured the attention of millions of people worldwide. While the production timeline has faced delays and challenges, Tesla is committed to delivering a high-quality product that meets the expectations of its customers. As the automotive landscape continues to shift towards sustainability and clean energy, the Cybertruck stands at the forefront of this revolution. With its powerful electric drivetrain, advanced battery technology, and durable exoskeleton, it promises to redefine the capabilities and possibilities of pickup trucks. As we look towards the future, the Cybertruck's impact on the automotive industry and society as a whole remains to be seen. However, one thing is clear. Tesla's Cybertruck has sparked a new era of electric pickup trucks, setting the stage for a more sustainable and exciting future.
I made this bet on my own, bet on my own.